There's something magical about New Hampshire in autumn. The air turns crisp. The forests burst into fiery shades of red and gold. And every winding road feels like a journey through a painting. From charming small towns to the peaks of the White Mountains, this is a season that turns nature into art. And I can't wait to take you on this aerial tour of New Hampshire's autumn glory. So before we take off, where are you watching from? Comment down below. I'd love to know where you're joining this journey from. 1. White Mountains. Our journey begins with the breathtaking White Mountains, the heart of New Hampshire's fall beauty. Stretching across the northern part of the state, these mountains are home to endless forests, waterfalls, and scenic drives. It's one of the best spots in the entire country to see autumn colours in full bloom. 2. Kancamagus Highway. Known as one of the most scenic drives in America, the Kancamagus Highway runs for 34 miles through the White Mountain National Forest. Every turn reveals golden valleys, covered bridges, and peaceful rivers reflecting the colours of fall. Many travellers call it the ultimate leaf-peeping route in New England. 3. Franconia Notch State Park. This stunning mountain pass is famous for Echo Lake, the Flume Gorge, and the Old Man of the Mountain, a rock formation that once symbolized New Hampshire's spirit. Even though the Old Man fell in 2003, his legacy still lives on in the hearts of locals. The aerial view here feels like flying through a natural cathedral of color. 4. North Conway. A charming small town surrounded by the White Mountains, North Conway is a perfect mix of cozy cafes, antique shops, and mountain adventures. It's also a hub for scenic train rides. The Conway Scenic Railroad takes visitors on an unforgettable journey through valleys wrapped in autumn hues. If you've ever been on a full train ride like this, tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear where. 5. Mount Washington. Standing tall at over 6,000 feet, Mount Washington is the highest peak in the northeastern United States. It's famous for its wild weather and breathtaking views that stretch across several states. Whether you drive up the Auto Road or take the historic Cog Railway, reaching the summit feels like standing on top of New England itself. 6. Jackson. Just north of North Conway lies Jackson, a postcard-perfect village known for its white steeple church, covered bridges, and warm local charm. In fall, it becomes a golden paradise surrounded by maple trees and mountain streams. Many photographers consider Jackson one of the most beautiful small towns in America. 7. Lake Winnipesaukee. As the largest lake in New Hampshire, Lake Winnipesaukee is a peaceful retreat where the water mirrors the fiery colours of fall. Small towns like Meredith and Wolfboro line its shores, offering quiet marinas, lakeside walks, and sunsets that glow over the rippling water. Have you ever seen fall colours reflected on a lake? It's something you never forget, and I'd love to know your favourite memory of autumn by the water. Share it below. 8. Lincoln. The town of Lincoln sits right along the Kancamagus Highway and serves as a perfect base for exploring the White Mountains. It's known for its mountain resorts, hiking trails, and the famous ice castles in winter. In autumn, though, the forests around Lincoln come alive with every shade imaginable, from deep crimson to bright gold. 9. Breton Woods. Breton Woods is famous for its luxurious Mount Washington Hotel a grand white resort framed by fiery full foliage and mountain peaks. It's also home to one of the best ski areas in the state. But during autumn, visitors come for the sweeping views and quiet beauty that make it feel timeless. 10. Sugar Hill. Sugar Hill is one of New Hampshire's smallest towns, but one of its most picturesque. It overlooks the White Mountains and is surrounded by fields of wildflowers, old barns, and winding roads. In fall, this tiny town glows with a golden light that photographers dream of capturing. 11. Portsmouth. Switching gears to the coast, Portsmouth is where history meets the sea. This 17th century port city is filled with cobblestone streets, colonial houses, and waterfront views. Autumn brings a softer charm here. Golden trees line the harbour, and the salty breeze carries the scent of fall leaves. If you could choose between mountain views or coastal charm, which would you pick? I'm curious. Tell me in the comments. 12. Hanover. Home to Dartmouth College. Hanover sits along the Connecticut River and is surrounded by rolling hills painted in autumn colour. It's a lively yet peaceful town where history, learning, and nature blend together beautifully. Watching the sunset over the river here feels like the perfect ending to a New England day. From the rugged peaks of the White Mountains to the peaceful streets of Portsmouth, New Hampshire's autumn glory is a masterpiece of nature. Each small town tells a story. Every forest shines with colour, and every breeze carries that crisp promise of change that makes fall so unforgettable. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next adventure. And before you go, tell me, which of these places would you love to visit most this fall? I'll be reading your comments, and who knows, your favourite spot might be the next destination we fly over together.